Hello, welcome back. This is Sergio again. Just wanted to show you and do a quick tour around my 1955 Volkswagen bus, as promised on my previous video. This is a bus that I have had for like 6 or 7 years now. It was in really bad condition, pretty much like all the cars here in Colombia, because they were daily drivers most of their life. This car was originally a delivery van in Bogota, Colombia, the capital city, and it worked for like 30 years until it got retired and became a family car. Then it was used as a daily. They cut some holes and put some windows for the passengers, so it was modified, but the body was kept pretty much original. They only changed the floors, and the engine was kept original as well. Pretty much every car here in Colombia has a story. For example, this one was specially ordered, was imported from Germany. It's a 1955. It's the first year, the first batch of production after they finished doing the manufacturing the barn doors in 1954. So it's a pretty rare model. It comes with the small tail lights and semaphores. I just finished washing it, so you can like see it in fresh. I'm working on the engine right now, so the engine bay is pretty much empty. We restored all the car, the chassis. It was put in bare metal, sanded down to bare metal. Some rust starting to show off again, but it's because the car has been here under the sunlight and all the weather. Here the weather is not that humid. It's humid, but the car is sitting here and it has been kept in pretty good condition anyways. You can see the original ID tag. It was lowered, so it's now a straight axle. Doesn't have the reduction gears anymore. This tail light is original from this year. That's what makes it rare or special. It doesn't come with the bigger tail lights. This one only works. These two only work as tail lights and turn lights, and this is the brake light. That makes it a bit different. The panels, all new classic fab green panels that you know. The original crow feet wheels. I found them online. I was pretty lucky to find them. Those are making it very special and match the car pretty well. The lines are very straight. The shop did a great job. You can see like only a few waves. They did the best they could. Come here to the front. Here at the front, the whole nose is brand new. The car was crashed here, it had a really bad accident. I'll show you the pictures. And even the doors, the front doors couldn't close. The car was like crushed. It was really bad. So we cut this whole section off, put a new one. Every panel is classic fab green panels. Something very particular is that we could restore the emblem, the nose emblem. It was like all twisted, but the shop did it instead of buying a new one. I believe it's always better to work on the original parts instead of just replacing. So that's what we did. Original mirror, some stuff was kept original, and that's why I really like this car. I really like the style of these headlights mesh for the headlights. I think they're pretty cool. We installed a spring here to keep them like stuck together. It works really fine. Here on the side, I use it as temporary storage for all my parts. I have a lot of parts. So the next project will be the interior. It's a theater seat from a theater in Bogota, Colombia from the 20s. So you can fold the seat up and down, And so I'm gonna put it looking backwards, so it will give some room to jump in the car, which is gonna look awesome. And at the same time, I'm gonna install a rock and roll bed. And if you see at the interior, we have some coffee bags as door panels. I need to replace the steering wheel as well. And the coffee bags, I really like the style and how they look. It makes it look like pretty rural. I don't know, like it was a workhorse, so I think it matches the original style of the car. Okay, a short pause here. So this is the theater seat, as I mentioned. I think I'm gonna put some velvet upholstery. It's gonna look cool. And they're in bad condition, but we'll restore them. And as you can see, they fold up and down, which is pretty cool, and will allow passengers to get in the back. Style of the car, and that's pretty much everything I wanted to show you. Hope you guys like the car. Give me any ideas for the interior. I'm gonna do it like a little bit of retro theater theme, something like that, with some art deco lights and some flooring and stuff. That would be my next project. Thank you very much, and please subscribe and like my videos. Thank you.